So far during this unit, we have worked in two stages of the writing process. The first stage is planning. We have used such tools as graphic organizers, a checklist, and choosing a topic to plan our writing. Today, we will move to the next stage in the writing process, which is drafting. Drafting happens when you take the ideas in your head or on your graphic organizer and you form them into sentences and put them in an order that will deliver your message to a reader. Writing is very cool when you think about it like that. Recently, we drafted the introduction. Today, we will work on the body. Remember, when you write your draft, you take the ideas from your graphic organizer and write down all of the things about those few words that you wanted to say. I'm going to model how to do this, and then you will have a chance to work on your description. The next section on my graphic organizer has "When Earthquakes Happen" circled, and I left all the details to go with it. I know this is my subtopic, and I should use it to frame my topic sentence or the first sentence in my new paragraph. Since this is a new subtopic, I will start on the line underneath my introduction and indent. Earthquakes occur in the Earth's crust from 5 to 30 miles deep. The crust is made of layers of rocks called plates. Cracks in the plates are called faults. Now I need to tell how the plates move and run into each other. Let me try this. The plates are always on the move, but they only move 6 inches a year. Sometimes as the plates move, they scrape, bump, or drag against one another along the faults, and then an earthquake happens. Now we're going to read this chorally from the beginning to the end. Can you imagine what it would feel like if the earth was to move or shake under your feet? Well, when that happens, it is called an earthquake. Earthquakes occur about 1 time every minute all around the world. Some earthquakes are not noticed or cause huge destruction. Earthquakes occur in the Earth's crust from 5 to 30 miles deep. The crust is made of layers of rocks called plates. Cracks in the plates are called faults. The plates are always on the move, but they only move 6 inches a year. Sometimes, as the plates move, they scrape, bump, or drag against one another along the faults, and then an earthquake happens. I think that sounded really good. When I look at my graphic organizer, I can see the ideas I wanted to include are in my draft. I'm going to move to my next subtopic. I can come back and add more later to this paragraph if I needed to. I will finish this up later. Now I want to give you time to work on your draft. I want you to do the same thing we did here. Use your graphic organizer to help you remember all the things you want to write. Don't forget to start a new line and indent, just like I did with each new subtopic.